Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 apps not opening issue in your computer. Here are some steps to fix the issue of apps not opening in Windows 11, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like this video. We start with the Windows Apps Troubleshooter. To do that, first you need to go to Setting. You just need to go to Start menu, tap on it and go to Setting. If you can't find setting icon here, you just need to search for it. Okay, tap on Setting. In the left side menu, make sure it is selected as System. In the right side menu, you need to scroll down a little bit until you find Troubleshoot option. Then you need to tap on it and you need to tap on other troubleshooters here, and you need to find Windows Store Apps. Scroll down a little bit, scroll down. Yeah, it is right here. What you need to do is just tap on Run button here. Then it will be start the detecting problems, and some message you can find that are help to fix your issue. When it is completed, it will be shows the issue of the application, or it will be guide you to follow some methods to fix your issue. So that is method number 1. And if that is not working, you can follow with second method, that is repair or reset a specific app. Yeah, in my case it is says Windows, I need to sign it in with my Microsoft account. So that kind of message you will be able to find after the complete the troubleshoot. So I'm not going to do that. Just close this one and go with the second method. You need to repair or reset the application. To do that, you need to press Windows plus I in the keyboard. It will be again open settings menu. In the left side menu, you need to choose the apps option and go to apps and features in the right side menu. In the right side, you can see all the application installed on your computer is available. So what you have to do is, if you think the Cortana is not working, just tap on these 3 dots in the right corner and choose the advanced options. And in this menu, you need to scroll down. Then you can see there are 3 buttons here: terminate, repair and reset. First you need to tap on repair. It will be repair that application. It will not take too much time. It's going speeding. Okay, now it is repaired. Then you need to try to open that application, and if it is not working still, you need to choose the reset option. Then it will be reset that application into factory version. It also not taking too much time. Wait for complete. Okay, now it is repair and reset. Then you can try to open that tab again. If it is working, then the process is completed, and if it is not working, you have to follow with me. So next you can do is run the Windows reset command. To do that, first you need to press Windows key plus R in the keyboard. Then you need to type WSReset.exe and tap on OK. Now you can see that kind of command prompt open and just disappear, and then after automatically turn on the Microsoft Store. This command used to reset the Microsoft Store. It will be clear the cache files and other things. Then you can try again with the application, it is working or not. And problem is still occurred, you can follow the next steps. And next one is update the app. To update your app, you need to go to Microsoft Store. Now it is opening. Now in here, in the left side, you can see there is option called downloads. Just tap on it. This will shows all the application we are download from the Microsoft Store. What you have to do is, you can download it to the latest version by just tapping on get updates. then it will be find the latest update have or not. If it has a latest update, it will be automatically download that one. So I'm not going to do that. Just close this one. And that also not working. You have to follow the re-register Microsoft Store apps. To do that, you need to go to search bar and type PowerShell. This is the PowerShell application. Right click on it and run as administrator. Tap on yes. In here you need to type this command. I will put this in the description. This is a little bit long one. Get appx package dash all users Microsoft.Windows Store, for which add appx package, disable development mode, register, and installation appx manifest.xml. I will put this in the description also. Then you need to press enter. This will re-register the Microsoft Store, and then after you can check that it is working or not, and if it is not, you can follow the next step. Then after you need to run the system file checker and DISM tool. To do that, you need to go to search bar here, search for command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap yes in the pop-up menu. In here you need to type sfc space / scan now. Now you need to hit enter. This will start the system file checking process. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes, and wait for verification is completed. After it completed, I am going to pause this one. After it is completing, you need to again type this command, DISM space / online space / sorry about that, clean up dash image space / restore health, and you need to hit enter and wait for the process complete. You can see this kind of message will be appeared, and after the complete, your system file is checking and fixed and fix the issues. So that is method number 6. And 7 method is check for Windows updates. To do that, you need to press Windows +I in your keyboard. It will be open settings menu, and in the left side menu you need to go to Windows Update, that is the last option, and in the right side menu you need to tap on check for update button. In my case, I post the updates for some time, so if you already post the updates, you need to tap on resume updates, and this will be download latest version of the Windows, and it will be automatically installing. After installation process is completed, you need to restart your computer, then it will be run on Windows latest version. And the last one is you need to create new user account. To do that, again you need to go to setting by just pressing Windows +IO, search for setting, tap on that application. In the left side menu, go to accounts. In the right side menu, scroll down a little bit, you will find family and other users. Just tap on it and tap on add account under the other users. Okay, now it will be open this kind of pop-up menu. You have to follow the on-screen instruction to create a new user account. You have to give your email, Microsoft email for this one. Then after, you just need to tap on next, and it will be asking some permission, password kind of thing. You just need to give them and create new account. So these are the methods you can follow for Windows 11 apps not opening issue fixed. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.